I did what I was going to sing, but for some reason, all week long I've been thinking this thought. How many remembers family reunions? Now I'm not talking about immediate family. I'm talking about we're half the neighborhood because we're half all kin from one end of the road to the other. That's what I've been thinking about this week. Family reunions. I remember when I was a kid, couldn't wait to spring, early summer, because where I lived up there at the foot of the mountain, it seemed like half the community come to my family reunion because we were all first cousins, second cousins, third cousins, aunts, uncles, who knows. But the special thing about it, not just the cream potatoes that were so light and fluffy, you had to put a rock in the bowl, keep it from floating off. I mean, the food was great, but the fellowship that we had, there was no arguments, fussing, fighting. Didn't seem like there were hardly any divorced family members. There's no pain, heartache, sickness, it seemed like. It was just one massive family reunion. If you hadn't experienced that, you missed something very special in your life. Well, that being said, this led me to this song.
Somewhere just across the Jordan River, there's a place of everlasting joy and peace, where the stream of life, it's flowing there forever. And the crown of life is waiting there for me. That sounds like home to me, like where I want to be. There'll be no tears to fill our eyes again. Hills will echo with the storm as we sing of His grace and glory. Where the saints of God will be, that sounds like home to me. Oh, they say there's only joy inside that city. How little children play, they're playing by the tree of life. No pain, no disappointments, they will hurt us. And Jesus Christ Himself will be our light. And that sounds like hope. like home to me.
That sounds like home to me, like where I want to